Do you want to know what one of the biggest mistakes salespeople make is in the very beginning of the sales process? You ask too many questions. What's your timeline for buying a car? What options are important to you? What accessories do you have to have? You're narrowing down the choices for the customer. You see, me, I want the customer on the lot. I want them looking at all the vehicles. If they say they're looking for a new pickup truck, I'm going to take them over to the pickup trucks. I'm going to say, Mr. and Mrs. Customer, this is all the trucks we have. And then I'm going to shut my mouth and I'm going to be silent. I'm going to let them walk up and down that row. And you know what they're going to do? They're going to select the truck they like. They're going to look at window stickers. They're going to look in windows. And you're going to notice they keep coming back to the same one over and over again. And guess what they've just done? They've just selected the vehicle. And not you picking it for them. They picked it on their own. And now you're half the way to having a sale. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions or comments, please fill them in below. I'll be sure to get back to everyone. And if you like, subscribe to my channel and you can watch all my videos on a regular basis.